Here is the homework page where you're going to find the instruction sheet. You can click on the instruction sheet. The video will be in the link next to it. You can see the paper that we talked about in class. The topic area that you need to focus on is the states of matter. We'll do the other 6 later. You must include a particle picture and discuss at least one state of matter in detail using the vocabulary listed. Once you decide which of the 16 options you're going to do for the states of matter, you will list it on that line. You need to make sure that in total you'll have 15 points by the end of the 6 sections. I'm going to go through each section starting with the vocabulary boxes. Vocabulary boxes are worth 1 point. You will complete 3 of these based on the vocabulary words. You could do solid, liquid, and gas if you'd like, with your definition, facts and characteristics, examples, and non-examples. There are 2 options of graphic organizers that you could use. You can print these out and organize all of the information that we've learned in whatever way makes sense to you. It just needs to be accurate to the content that we have learned. The next one is a Quizlet. We've created Quizlets before, so you should have an account. You can create your stack, then you go to your study sets. You need to share it with me. So you'll click on the one that you created with all of the terms from the section. Those vocabulary terms can be found at the bottom of the page on the homework page of the science section. Then you will share it with me. So you click on the share button, and then you will send it to my email. And then you will be good to go. Please make sure that there are pictures included with your Quizlet. Then top 10 list was another option. You can create a list of the top 10 most important aspects of the topic you're choosing in your opinion, explain why it's included, and a picture with each one, making sure you use key vocabulary. For concentration, this is just like a memory game. You have 2 different cards, one that has the word and a picture, and then the other card has a description of the word and the real world connection, 8 vocabulary words, so you should have 16 cards total. For the acrostic poem, you are going to use one of the key vocabulary terms and create an acrostic poem. Here is an example. This one's done for fossils. We don't learn about fossils, but some examples. F is fossil is found underground. O, older fossils usually found lower down, and so on. All of these things are about a fossil. So you could do solid and do things about a solid or a property or so on. For a textbook recreate, we don't have an official textbook in science, so you can create a textbook page using this template here. There's some writing that you need to do. There's a picture with a description, a caption, and then a Q&A little blurb there. You could come up with a question and an answer. The last 2-point option is an anchor chart. Here's an example of one that you could do. An anchor chart, the only thing it does not include here are real-world examples and a couple key content vocabulary. For the 3-point options, the first one is a song or a rap. It should be a minimum of 1 page, a song or rap that you could perform that includes all of the information about the topic with key vocabulary, major concepts, and real-world examples. For social media pages, there's 4 options. The first option is an Instagram page. It should look very similar to what we did with the Kings of Israel Instagram page. You're going to fill it out for either a state of matter or a property or a phase change, something like that, and complete it all about that. The next option is a Facebook, or in this case a fake book. You're going to complete it about 1 section, so solid, liquid, or gas, or a different topic area. But remember, we're just doing states of matter, so we're focusing on that solid, liquid, gas. You could choose this option for a different topic if you would like. Snapchat, here's the Snapchat option. You will have the 5 different pictures of Snapchat, and then the lines are going to be what you would write on each of those Snapchats. Then the Twitter section, you have to create 6 different posts. Remember, 120 characters or less, 6 different posts from your state of matter or property or so on. So you choose one of those for social media. For the foldable, you are going to pick one of the foldables. It has to be at least 4 flaps. So I put a lot of different options on there for you, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can print out whichever option you would like and fold it on the dotted lines, cut on the solid lines, and then you will put some information, either a vocab word and a picture and a description, or something else that's going to help you figure out the main topics of the main concepts of the topic. The last 3-point option is a Kahoot or a quiz. You're going to create your own questions. They should not be from the worksheets or activities we do in class or any formatives. You need to have at least 10 questions. For the comic strip, it needs to be at least 7 boxes. You can use my template or you can create your own. Mine is 7 boxes. You could create your own though, but it needs to be about the topics. Include some vocabulary and main ideas. For the video project, you're doing it as if one of your peers missed all of the lessons and you need to help them catch up. It needs to be at least 2 minutes long and teach all of the concepts and key vocabulary for the section. For the journey of the particle, you're going to pretend you are a particle or a substance. You're going to create a 1-page story that is the point of the view of the particle. In the children's book, you're going to create a mini booklet. It's going to be like the Proverbs booklets about whatever your topic it is. It needs to have a picture on each page and key